Mom, when you're done climbing, can you follow me on the line? Yep.
We'll have to set it up, alright?
Long draw. Long draw here because this is going in. And I haven't done this route in like 15 years. Yeah, that was so sloppy. This bolt's sticking a little bit. Hi. Ooh, yeah. The wind feels like it's about to rain. Valerie, take. All right, get me down.